Top news as of December 2, 2025. Top global news, world. Ukraine conflict and peace talks. President Donald Trump's proposed peace framework for the Ukraine conflict is reportedly meeting with resistance, complicated by political divisions in Kyiv and Russia's strategic leverage. Separately, delegations from the US and Ukraine are continuing talks to refine a peace plan, with officials describing the discussions as productive but complicated. Venezuela-US tensions. Tensions remain high between Venezuela and the United States. Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro has called on OPEC to help protect the nation's oil reserves from perceived U.S. aggression, following warnings from the Trump administration regarding Venezuelan airspace. Sudan war escalation. The conflict in Sudan continues to intensify, with both the Sudanese army and the paramilitary Rapid Support Forces, RSF, vying for more territory. International stakeholders are still pushing for a durable truce amidst an escalating humanitarian crisis. China's crackdown in Hong Kong. Following a deadly blaze in Hong Kong, national security police have arrested 3 people. Beijing issued a warning to anti-China and pro-chaos elements, indicating a continued crackdown on dissent and calls for accountability.
Economy and finance, general and global. U.S. markets and Fed uncertainty. The start of December saw U.S. markets open lower amid a retreat in risk sentiment. While there is a widespread expectation that the Federal Reserve, Fed, will begin cutting rates next year, comments from officials like Fed Chair Powell suggest a cautious, slow, and gradual approach, given the evident strength of the U.S. economy alongside accelerating inflation. Global economic outlook. The overall global economic outlook remains highly uncertain for 2026 and 2027, according to Bank Indonesia's governor. Key drivers of this uncertainty include slowing global growth, especially in the U.S. and China, persistent U.S. protectionist policies leading to declining world trade, and high government debt and interest rates in developed nations. Cryptocurrency volatility. The cryptocurrency market is seeing significant volatility. Bitcoin has dipped below the $86,000 mark, with Ethereum also seeing a substantial drop of over 7%. This movement comes as the US dollar remains strong and central banks, such as the Bank of Japan, signal potential shifts in monetary policy. Korea's semiconductor outlook. The Bank of Korea, BOK, forecasts that the semiconductor boom cycle could continue through late 2026, which is positive for the South Korean economy. Meanwhile, the weakening Korean won has fueled an increase in foreign nationals buying homes in Seoul.
Technology. AI and job replacement. A recent MIT study suggests that AI tools could highly likely replace 1 in 8 jobs, with the finance, healthcare, and service industries being the hardest-hit sectors for workplace automation. AI reshaping corporate strategy. Major tech companies are actively integrating AI into their core operations. HP has announced plans to lay off between 4,000 and 6,000 employees by 2028 as part of a company-wide initiative to boost productivity and innovation through AI adoption. Competition in the AI chip space. AMD is solidifying its position as a major platform power in the AI era, challenging the dominance of Intel and NVIDIA with a multi-billion-dollar strategy focused on AI infrastructure. New tech innovations. Breakthroughs in quantum computing and material science continue. Engineers at Princeton have extended qubit lifetimes using a new tantalum silicon design, and researchers are developing new materials, gyromorphs, that control light more effectively.